Hey guys, so I wanted to share some damage I just found on my car that seems to be a common issue, especially if you have the A-Spec model on this Acura. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I found. So I did a full detail on my car a couple days ago, and that's usually when you'll find some damage with it, if you're gonna find any, when you get it all cleaned up. So I found an area here that I wish I knew more about before I let it go this long. But it was on this spoiler here. Now, being gloss black, you know, it'll get a lot hotter than the rest of the car will. And it is dusty here, so I'm gonna try to show you here without trying to scratch it up too much. But see this area right here? See if I can get to zoom here a little bit. And I'm good about, like, if there's bird droppings on it, to wipe it off right away. But that's what this is caused from. And it didn't take long. Like I said, if I notice it one day, I'll wipe it off the same day and clean it up. But being that it gets hot here and it's gloss black, so it intensifies the heat even more, it etched through the plastic. Now with your finger, you can feel it. It's kind of etched into the plastic, so it's nothing like topical where you can compound off or anything like that. It's just etched into it. And there's another spot as well over here. If you can see it right there. And like I said, there's dust on it right now, but when it's not dusty, you can totally tell it's kind of chewed through the plastic a little bit. So I kind of wish I knew that, how fast that would actually happen. Now the car is 4 years old, but I wish I put like a PPF over the spoiler, and that would have definitely helped, because I keep it, like I said, I keep it clean. And almost every day when I get out of it, I kind of do a once around, and if there's any bird droppings on, I'll clean it up. So I just want to give you guys some insight on that. If you do notice bird droppings on it, I would clean it right away. But that's pretty much the only issue. And then here, I've showed you guys this before, but when you put the splitter on, since it does hang down quite a bit, you get some scratches there, and that's from getting too close to a curb where it kind of pops up, puts a little bit of stress cracks in it. That's really the only issue I found. So again, if you guys haven't, I would definitely put like a nice film over the spoiler, especially if you upgrade to the carbon fiber one, because those are pretty expensive. I would do something to protect it, knowing how it will conduct a little bit more heat being dark. And it didn't take long. Like I said, it's not like I let it sit on there for days and days. I'm good about wiping it off, and that's how fast it can actually eat through the plastic. So again, I wanted to give you guys some insight on that. So if you haven't, put some kind of protectant on it. Like I always wax it too. So sometimes it's just so acidic, it doesn't take long. So I'm gonna live with it. I'm not gonna go through the trouble of replacing the spoiler and all that, especially since it's the original one, and I've had no problems with water leaks and all that. And if you don't get it just right, you can have issues with leaks. So I'm just gonna leave it alone, but maybe it'll prevent you guys from having the same kind of damage as well. So again, I just wanted to keep you guys informed. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. Any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.